Hey Robert, thanks for having me here to do an estimate on your home. Just thought I'd quickly talk a little bit about what we're going to do when we're washing your home. Obviously, when we do the house wash, this is going to be part of the treatment. Top of this ledge and just areas in the back of their home that you may not have noticed that were pretty dirty. So all that's going to get washed safely with no high pressure, gentle detergent wash. And we'll go ahead and get these gutters cleaned up. These gutters are actually very, very dirty. I think there is a lot of overspill, a lot of debris sitting on top of the gutter screens. So we have ways to go about getting those debris taken care of. We can do like a power flush over top of the screens, or we can do a hydro jet, almost like a rotor-rooter with a power washing nozzle, and put it under the screen. It'll flush out anything that may have gotten in your screen. So your home here, we'll take out the screens first before we do the house wash, set them up by your garage, and then hose those down individually, wash them down really nice. And then first what we do is we do the roof wash, then the house wash, and windows will be last. What we do with your windows is we take advantage of a special water-fed pole window cleaning technique that involves us cleaning all from the ground, no ladders, no squeegeeing. Our technique to wash your windows involves 100% purified mineral-free water, and when we scrub your glass with bronze wool and horsehair monofilament brush, the dirt on your windows actually gets attracted to the super clean water, and all that comes off real nicely. So I'm not going to give you an estimate to hose down your deck. Looks really nice and clean already, fairly new. But while we're here, we're going to take good care of your painted surfaces and get all the green off. Your front entryway here has got lots of spider webs. Thanks for the privilege. Any questions you have, don't hesitate to call or text me, or go on our website. Check out our video testimonials on YouTube, and we look forward to working with you. Take care, and hit my cell, 815-520-6020. Take care.
The summer heat and winter cold turn your shingle roof into a brittle mess. Replacing it will cost you a fortune, and if this happens, it's even worse.
Think you need a new roof? Think again.
Introducing Maxx, the first professional and affordable roofing treatment that is scientifically proven to reduce an asphalt roof's aging process. With Maxx, you'll have the protection of a brand new roof and save thousands. Maxx's skilled technicians apply a safe, effective, and affordable natural treatment. And within hours, you have a roof that performs like a new roof. Maxx's exclusive treatment resaturates old, dried shingles with a natural, bio-friendly formula that quickly restores flexibility and water-repelling protection guaranteed. Look, this is a 17-year-old asphalt shingle. It literally disintegrates. But here's an identical 17-year-old shingle that we treated with Maxx's proven formula. It passed rigorous independent testing as a new shingle.
So your roof can even look like new. This neighborhood's roofs were ravaged by Hurricane Sally, but this house treated by Maxx had absolutely no damage.
So a Maxx roof can also pass a home inspection if you're getting ready to sell, or for insurance, saving you money. Check out our website to see impeccable reviews saving thousands of roofs and millions of dollars. Remember, a new roof can cost you tens of thousands. And who wants to deal with days of this? Keep your family safe and happy with Maxx. Call